ongoing thing.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me Andro here. How it's going today? I'm gonna talk about 5 genuine tips to gain more followers and likes on Instagram. Before moving on to the topic, I request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on so as to get notified about my latest video. So moving on to the video, the first tip is always keep your account as public. Doing this will give you more followers than keeping your account as private. Because 70% of users on Instagram used to check profiles before following anyone. Now the second tip is know your followers. You have to know your followers and know what they really want. Once you come to know, then just post something about whatever they want. This will lead your account to get more likes and comments. The third tip is follow only the active user. Following active accounts will give you 80% of your following. This tip actually really works. Must try it. Now moving on to the fourth tip is use hashtags for your posts. Always put hashtags in your post. This will give you likes and followers instantly. Here I have a proof of this. Just see this, how I got more than 250 likes in just 3 or 4 days. Always put hashtags as much as you can. Here you can see I have added more than 30 hashtags in this post. And if you don't have any idea about hashtags, then no problem, you are free to use third-party application to get hashtags. There are many apps on the Play Store which you can use to get hashtags. Now the last tip is never buy followers or use third-party apps or website to get followers. If you do this, let me inform you that you are just buying bots. And you know what are bots? They aren't the real people, they are just a bot. If you really found something interesting in this video, then just hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.